do our foundation consultants actually do the production work on the project? Another question we get asked a lot is, do our foundation consultants actually do the production work on the project? And Phil is here to answer it for you.
So for the most part, what happens is that once we're assigned the task to come out to do an evaluation of your house, at that point we are the start of the team. So after I go through the process, we come through a solution and we put together a plan. Then at that point, everything kind of gets transferred over to the office. They assign a crew to that. One of the things the crews do is that they'll get together with me prior to going out to the job. We'll go over it, make sure all the expectations are met based on what we have covered during the inspection. And then once they're on site, we've got a portal system called Build-A-Trend. And what they do on a daily basis is they upload they upload pictures, they upload notes, and then what'll happen is, if I'm in the area, I'll definitely will stop by. But if I'm down in San Diego and the job is up in LA or something like that, then it gives me the opportunity to go on the website in the evenings and kind of look at the progression of the jobs and kind of oversee that. It's a case that anytime there's any questions from the homeowners, they certainly can talk with the foreman on site. If he can't answer the question, or if you need for me to address those, then feel free to give me a call. I'm always part of the team from the beginning to the very end.
Yeah, and to kind of summarize what Phil just said is, we're here for you no matter if it's our production crews or consulting crews, heck, even our finance department. Like I said, we're all here as a team, and we want to see your project go as smoothly as possible and as successful as possible. So we're all here to help out, so any one of us is still available throughout the duration of your project. Thank you, Phil, and thank you for joining us with another episode of You Ask
and We Answer.